What's up everyone, Adam here at ECP again with another video for you today. And in this video I'm going to be removing the Nissan Juke diverter valve and replacing it with a Turbo Smart compact dual port blow off valve. It's a very straightforward job to do and you can definitely do it at home. So let's get to it and get the job done. Right guys, where we want to be is the engine bay. That's where the divert valve is located. It's just under the engine bay cover. So get the engine bay cover, get it removed and get it out of the way. It's just pushed on, so just give it a good yank and pull it off. And that's where we are right now, the OEM divert valve. And that's what we're going to be replacing for the upgraded Turbo Smart dual port blow off valve. For the reasons why I'm changing that, I could give you a big description because this is a recirculating valve system on the Jukes. You can get an atmospheric system. There are differences and they do make a big difference on what you fit. Now I'm not going to bore you with explaining why I'm fitting it and what the differences are, but if you do want to know that information, feel free to head to the ECP Facebook page and direct message me there. I'm happy to answer any questions. I'll leave a link in the description to that Facebook page. So let's go ahead and start moving parts. Right, so the first thing we want to do is remove the diverter hose and the vacuum hose. What you need to do is basically just get a pair of pliers, crimp them together, slide it back, do the same on the vacuum hose. That will allow you to then pull each one off, so go ahead and do that. Right everyone, once you remove the diverter hose and the vacuum hose and you've taken them off, if you need to replace the clips, now's the time to do it before you refit them again on the new system. But now you need to get either a 10mm socket or a 10mm spanner, whatever suits you best, and remove the two bolts holding the valve in place. There is obviously one there, then one down on the other side, if you can just see that right there. So go ahead and remove them, then the whole system should be able to pull off. So go ahead and do that. There you go guys, there's the OEM divert valve removed. Pretty straightforward, like I said. It's basically a vacuum hose, diverter hose, two 10mm bolts, and it's off. And it's the same principle for getting the new ones on. The only difference is with the Turbo Smart diverter valve, or blow off valve they call it, is it has a gasket with that one, so I'll show you that when we fit it. But yeah, that's the old one removed. The main difference between this one and the new one is the new one works off a piston, this works off a diaphragm. So obviously going down the years in the long run, the diaphragm will eventually break down and you can get boost leaks from that. But you know, that's just one of the many reasons why I've removed this. But yeah, let's go and get the Turbo Smart valve and get it fitted. Right, here we are everyone with the new Turbo Smart blow off valve. Obviously there's the gasket that you need to fit on with it. It's a real nice bit of machinery, nicely made. It's not plastic, you know, it's made of aluminium, so it's nice and strong, good, looks nice. It's pretty transparent which way it goes, very similar to the way you took the old one off. So obviously what you want to do first is get the gasket in place, fit the divert valve or blow off valve, whichever you want to call it, over the top, locate the 10mm bolts and tighten them up evenly. So go ahead and do that. There we go everyone, that's the new Turbo Smart diverter installed. Very straightforward, like I said from the beginning. It's just a case of two hoses and two 10mm bolts. Easy enough done, nothing in the way. Just straight off, straight back on with the new one. What I will point out is the vacuum hose that's already there. It might be very short and to refit because obviously the new diverter is slightly bigger. So just a little tip here: you might want to just move it up from the bottom a little bit, just to give that extra bit of room back at the top because it is tight. Now obviously, this is a dual port, so you can actually change it. I'm not going into that. So that the hose hitting here actually swivels round, depending on how hard you want the port to be. Now you won't be able to do that with the OEM hose in place because it's not long enough. So you might want to change that at a later date or get a new one before that just has some more length to it, allow you to adjust the new blow off valve. But once you've done that, basically turn the engine on, give it some revs, make sure there's no leaks, make sure nothing blows off, and if it doesn't, you're all good to go. Obviously take it out for a test drive, make sure everything's working fine, because if you got a leak, you'll have a boost leak, you'll be down on power. But yeah, that's about it really. there you go everyone, that's the video over and done with. I hope it helps you go ahead and fit your own one, or helps you decide whether or not you want one or not, because as you can tell just by the videos that you've seen at the end there, that before and after there's a big difference in air noise. Now for me that's a massive plus, but for other people it's not their cup of tea. It is greatly louder, so I'm actually really happy with that. I look forward to taking the car out and having the drive and listening to it. But yeah, other than that, great piece of kit, easy enough to do, and I'm happy that I personally fitted it. It is an expensive part. You're looking around 160 to 180. I'm fortunate enough that I got it a lot cheaper than that, but yeah, it is an expensive part, so it's either your cup of tea or not your cup of tea. But nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video and support the channel by subscribing and sharing it, and tell all your other friends to come and check out my videos. I'll be doing many videos on this Juke in the future, and I'll also be going to many car events in the future as well. Like I've done a few in the past already, but I'm going to be doing a lot more next year, and there's a lot more upgrades to come to this car, as well as some remaps. So if you want to check all that out, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss them videos. But till next time, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.